Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kamaungap District Christian Multipurpose Higher Secondary School, haringkat ke East Khasi Hills District Chess Association, kalapun kutno ay kalumpung Ïalehkai chess balatip kum Mawphlang Block School Chess Tournament arja arpasan, nakabenta ki Khynnah School ki bahapo khatlai snam, bat ki bakhatlai snam shaneng, haka arpunu tarik uyayong arja arpasan, hapo ajong ketiga school kabadan hamaungap. Hagani kalumpung lawan banishimenta da arspa khatsan ngut ki Khynnah, nagi khatway tali ki school, ki bahap hapo Mawphlang Block, Bala Kirshan lang yung kanigalumpong daga State Council of Science, Technology and Environment. Kanigalumpong Ïalehkai chess kalalong kaba Kiew Stet hapo ajong kanikablok na martang hakini ki shis nam tam kilami bon ki Khynnah ki badan yung kanikasap bagarpang hakini ki Ïalehkai batru kajingshim kya da ki school ba prepare banya shimta shithem hakini ki Ïalehkai. Tikumta kani ki jingpenlong yung kanigalumpong Ïalehkai hakini ki arsngi ya kabalas dang na duka arpasan tarik uyayong arja arpasan kalalong kajingmentoy kaba kraw bakidang yo shushu ya kibut Ïalehkai. Napding kini ki Khynnah ki balaywan shimenta na kalyang ka East Khasi Hills District Chess Association kalajit satang sauphongot ki Khynnah ki bakam tebit na kanika block ki barmi khmat shaga state level inter school chess tournament kaban salongshen. Hakani ka sngi penkut di kanika lumpung ledon lang uba shaprang saukmi assistant research officer ka SC STE kumukongsan kumju uba L Dingdo program officer ka SC STE ka principal ka kong Thaba kumjo ki dekhot jong ka East Khasi Hills District Chess Association kinong hikai jong baro khatway tili ki school lembat ki Khynnah school hakani ka sngi la samro iki khusnam lingba ki takma ki trophy lembat ki song pisa shabaro kinong job ki balawan hapo ka thup ka bashipho.
Teachers who escort the students from yesterday. We have seen you minin kidon lagi jong Ïalehkai, minta kisni kidon lagi jong Ïalehkai. Thank you for your precious time. to be with us since yesterday.
The students kilong very enthusiastic. Kilong should have to program STEM lab. Di astronot pengalawan betang asni hani aku do ifi baro kalong very warm, very welcoming, and if you long you shong shit correct? Kadai? Yeah. So it's nice when you baro the madam principal, the teachers, students, and along the chess association baro ki long play proactive role bagi wan kanang ani and he spend time with we. If he can now enjoy the benefits, the going to what I could lay surgery, Sagunaka, very member secretary, we arum siya vision but I when you're like school paro when you're like just but not only pachu longer game malakan but we cannot learn makin develop the skills of he through that chess. Now kawai Runta the chess kalawan ong the first is natare kita kena mata kita ke skill the learning the skill mata tadi ke chess kadang ke of course school of we won't have activities even school of dong if done Friday skill development classes kita ke seminar then when you're young like this we develop these skills ni hang por macam apa nang school what happen is ni learn dalam dir pala dalam here ni kam jai tu school learn thì hadir dia kam jenjang thì muta fi dak khana dai pick up learn if you develop any skills again interest kadar fin hay ka future jo fi our so many things wow sakawe pada da filakai chess ka yarap ya kanika reasoning jo fi logical reasoning critical thinking filawan da filakai filak plan ma fi let you move away if you anticipate cái next move kan salong right then sometimes your player encounter if you dah pun thì kalau kita kan if you develop your thinking